How do I install and manage third-party apps on my Panasonic Smart TV?
Hey there! In today's video, we'll be discussing how to install and manage third-party apps on your Panasonic Smart TV. With the right apps, you can enhance your TV experience, so let's get started.
Do all Panasonic TVs support third-party apps?
Before we dive into the steps, it's important to note that not all Panasonic TVs support third-party app installation. The latest Panasonic Smart TVs, especially those running on my home screen platform, do allow for app downloads. Ensure your TV model supports this feature before proceeding.
How do I access the App Store?
1. Power on your Panasonic TV. 2. Using your remote, press the Home button. 3. Navigate to the App section or similar named section depending on your TV model. 4. This will lead you to the Panasonic App Store, sometimes known as Viera Market.
How to install third-party apps?
1. In the App Store, browse or use the search function to find the app you want. 2. Once you locate your desired app, click on it. 3. There should be an Install or Download option. Select it. 4. Wait for the app to download and install. Once done, it will appear on your TV's home screen or app list.
How can I manage installed apps?
Managing your apps is just as crucial as installing them. Here's how. 1. Press the Home button on your remote. 2. Navigate to the App section. 3. Here, you can move, delete, or even update your apps. 4. To delete an app, highlight it and look for an Options or Settings button on your remote. Select it and choose the Uninstall or Delete option. That's a wrap. Now you know how to install and manage third-party apps on your Panasonic Smart TV. We hope this tutorial enhances your TV watching experience. Enjoy your shows and movies with your newly installed apps.